many times.
What?
Hey everybody, so I don't
because
know what
he always
journal
does it
number
wrong.
this is, but I'll figure that out later. It'll be in the YouTube title. So,
you
but
have
the
to.
point of this journal is how do you get
Do you wanna
good
stop
sound
talking
in a
over my
video?
journal?
Do you want to shut up?
No, I don't.
Yes,
I might.
The ground.
On the ground.
I
On the ground. Yeah.
Uh,
Inside joke. Anyway, so how do you get good
Not an
sound?
inside joke. Don't believe her. Don't listen to her. She's wrong.
Scott's an idiot. Oh, anyway.
Welcome to Phil.
Yeah, look who's here. Yeah, my favorite, my partner in crime here.
Anyway. So
Anyway.
you gotta make sure your game's
The
right
ground.
and you're not
On the
clipping,
ground.
and you have to make sure that as close
Do you
as
even
you
love
can
me?
to the
Who are you
mouth
talking about?
or the source of the sound.
Oh,
Oh, that was bad.
Anyway, so
And
how do you get good sound? How do
you gotta
get
have lots of inside jokes.
Well, we'll share this journal.
Those make
so
everything
we'll
better.
use one word each.
First,
First,
lots of questions, and if you don't ask a question, you're
Okay, that's not gonna work because I'm gonna
all
let
right,
gone.
so we'll
You're just
do it.
disqualified.
you have to, first
That's
of all, it
how
has
you
to
get good audio.
You have to hold the mic with.
Well,
like,
you have to
about-
have, okay, you have to have the mic on.
Use both
Yeah.
hands.
And then you have to have a comfortable position to hold the mic, the boom stand.
Look, you gotta use both hands. You gotta keep a firm grip,
And then,
right?
with when you have the mic, you should put that so it's
Has
out of
anyone
frame.
ever even
And
been
then
so far decided
how
as to record and
high
go to
above the
one
person's
look
head.
more like?
How high? How
Where
many
do you
inches?
click record?
12.
You go to
15
import
inches.
and then build
12 to
an
15 inches. And you want to make sure
You're
that
in like a weird shadow.
just say that. Make sure it's in between.
It's in between the actors. If there's
What
more
journal
than
is
one,
this?
if there's more
10?
than that, I can't really help you.
Journal 10?
Anyway, and you have to make sure that you're, what's it called? What are the levels called when there's clipping that you have to fix?
Oh, the gain.
There's the top
The
and the
gain.
volume and the
You have to make
ground.
sure that the, okay. You have to make sure that the gain is level enough so that
Jesus.
if you have really loud noise, there's not a whole lot of this weird. It's called clipping.
It
It's like
makes a
static.
crackling noise.
Yeah.
Or static.
It's like static, and basically, you know, if you've ever listened to headphones really loud, it's that like crackling, like it's too much for the mic to bear. So you have to make sure that's even. Make sure also that the mic pieces at the end of the mic are facing down, and like Bozo here said, they're about 12 to 15 inches from the actor's mouth. So, or
I'm about
whoever's
12 to
talking.
15 inches from the actor's
Oh,
mouth.
and we're doing this together because it's a lot easier to
Yeah,
save time.
well, there's not enough computers, so.
Yes, that's why I'm behind.
Josh, you can use my computer because I'm nice and
Alright, we're done.
very.
Bye. Oh.
So, yeah, and then, you know, obviously you have to edit things right, whatever, but basically that is how you get better audio.
I scared you.
Bye.